To check if your account or phone was hacked on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to look for the security and privacy. After entering it, select account security and then go for one of your account. And when you enter it, find option like recent activity. So we want to go right here, and that way we'll be able to check which devices tried to log in to our account on what day. So for example, there's the Galaxy S26 Ultra that I have logged in on March 9, but if you see anything suspicious that some device or someone logged in where you didn't, then probably someone has access to your account, and you will need to remove their devices and change your account password. So go into your devices, review those devices, log into your account, and if there's devices that you don't recognize, make sure to remove them. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.